Hi there, it's George here, and today I will show you update on my wonderful coffee tree that I have, and it have this time a lot of coffee beans. You know already this coffee plant, I did show you it was in bloom in summertime, and it had a lot of flowers on all the branches. You did see, if not, just links I will include in the description. So here is an update. I can see here a lot of coffee beans, but the coffee decided not to ripe all the coffee beans. One coffee they dried up because they doesn't have energy to the coffee plant to keep all the coffee beans. But anyway, it's quite many coffee beans, and it's around 40, you will see. And I use it to spray sometimes these leaves of coffee plant, and we'll have to show you close up how it looking. Also here inside I like 20-22 degrees temperature, which is good for coffee plant. So let me show you my coffee plant close up. Well, here we go. This is my coffee tree, and I put it on the floor because it's still like 1 meter and something, and it's comfortable to shoot like I put it here. Well, let's see close up right now, and as you can see the coffee beans here we go, but a lot of coffee beans actually drying. I am not sure, doesn't have much energy to keep all the coffee beans, but anyway, a lot of coffee beans are still green, and that's good as you can see. But I hope all the coffee beans will be okay in the future. We'll see. Just as you can see here, one is okay, but 2 coffee beans did dry. Anyway, for the first time I seeing that, but for the first time I see so many coffee beans. Anyway, I'm excited to see such many. As you can see, the leaves are wet and quite many branches. On this branch, as you can see, with no leaves, but coffee beans are here. And on the bottom branches as well, growing 3 coffee beans healthy, and 1 dried here, another one is here, another 3 are here, amazing, another 3 are here too. And as you can see, I noticed a new branch, new leaves started to grow from this branch, and that is awesome. And I noticed here as well, awesome. And here 1 coffee bean and 3 another here, but as you can see how many coffee beans, the coffee plant decided to dry. Anyway, well, here we go. On all the branches are coffee beans, but look at this branch, how many coffee beans decided the coffee plant to dry, but here also are some green coffee beans. Well, those are healthy, amazing looking. And here they grow in new leaves, and here as well. Let it grow, then in a few years it should produce coffee beans when the branches are like 2 years old, like this one, as you can see. Well, and we'll see when it will bloom next time in springtime, when will warm outside, and I should repot it because the pot is too small, and maybe that way the coffee plant doesn't have so much space to develop the coffee beans. Anyway, let's see on this branch as well. They are here also, and this one, but actually are many yet. Beautiful. But now let's see the stem. It's quite thick already, as you can see. Close up. Awesome. I like very much, like the texture. We'll see this branch how much will grow in the next year. Also here next to the bamboo I have another coffee plant, a baby coffee plant that I grow from seed, and this one I should repot, but Maybe I will make a video when I will do that. It's doing okay, healthy, but the pot is small. Anyway, and if you're talking about bamboo, how do you think? Here is the most bamboo which I grew from seed. Here is an update. The new shoots started to grow really fast, like crazy, and this come out, and it is quite thick. It is a record. How do you think how tall it will grow? As you can see, like 50 centimeters already. I think will be 1 meter and 50. I am not sure, but we'll see. The bamboo, it is looking beautiful. And the second coffee plant that I have, a young one. This is beautiful too. And should repot it too, but we'll see when. And I have only these 2 coffee plants because coffee plants are interesting plants, and some people wanted me to give them coffee plants, and I give. Well, I will grow from seed again, and I will have more coffee plants for sure. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I wish you a Merry Christmas to you, Happy Holidays, and you will see update on the coffee plant, well, maybe in a few months. When they will get ripe, they will be more or less than in this video. But anyway, stay tuned on my channel if you want to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.